in this house. There's some whores 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 in this house.
What is up, my kings and queens? It is your girl Ashley Nicole here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. So today, you guys, I decided to do a video on how I sell my clothes on Poshmark. With everything going on in the world with COVID and quarantine and everything like that, making some extra money on the side is definitely a positive. So I'm gonna walk you guys through how I take my pictures for Poshmark, how I upload them to computer and put them on the website, and how we make a sale. So you guys are going to get to see a little bit of what I have in my closet. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. Let's get to the video, y'all. All right, you guys, so this is outfit number 1. So this is a red sequin flowy bodysuit that I got from Fashion Nova. So it is a halter. I'll show you guys the back. It's a halter in the back. There's a zipper here, and then there's shorts. But obviously you can't see them because it's all shiny. I'll give you guys a close-up. It has a plunging neckline in the front, and it has these little things on the side that you can cut off if you want to. But overall, this is a large. And y'all, I have only wore this once. I wore this for my 25th birthday, one time out. That is it. Honestly, after that, COVID hit, so there was really nowhere to wear this to. But it's perfect for New Year's Eve, if you're going to a party. It's so cute, y'all. I had my Tina Turner vibe in this outfit. It's so cute. So I will show you guys how I upload this one to Poshmark. So now let's move on to number 2.
In this house, there's some whores in this house. 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 There's some whores in this house.
Okay, outfit number 2 is the shirt. It says anything is possible. It is a medium crop top type of shirt. So we're gonna add this one to the website. Outfit number 3. All right, my kings and queens, so this is outfit number 4. It is this beautiful floral, soft, stretchy dress from Rue 21. It comes in a medium. Y'all, this was my favorite dress. It is so comfortable. It's long sleeves, but it's a little bit short on me. Sleeve dress, super cute, you guys. So this is definitely going in the closet. So let's move on to outfit number 5. All right, my kings and queens, so this is the final outfit that I'm going to show you guys. It's going to go into my Poshmark closet. So it is a one-piece romper. It is so flowy, you guys. I definitely make sure, ladies with big booties, make sure you wear something underneath because it is short. It has a plunging V neckline in the front, and then it crisscrosses in the back. And they're adjustable straps, you guys. I love that. So one thing you guys are gonna find out about me on this channel, I love 2 pieces and I love rompers and dresses. Those are my go-to outfits in my closet. So I definitely recommend this, you guys. This is pretty fuchsia pink color, pretty fuchsia pink color, and it fits so nice. I don't know what type of bra, if you even wear a bra with this. I choose not to, but it's so cute, you guys. I love it. I'm going to miss it, but this is definitely going into the Poshmark closet. So now, you guys, that I have shown you all of the clothes that I'm going to show in this example, I am going to take you guys on and show you how I take my pictures so for Poshmark, so they're all professional and nicely done and neat. So let's continue on with the video. All right, my kings and queens. So now that we've picked out what clothes we want to sell on Poshmark, it's time to get our product photos ready. The biggest thing when taking pictures for Poshmark is you want to make sure they're clean, they're crisp, they're bright. The person can actually see what they're buying, because they will be more confident to buy from you if they actually see and are confident in what they're going to get. So I am going to use my shimmery romper for this example. And as far as backgrounds, you can use your wall, any type of just clean space to take your pictures in. I like white backgrounds personally, just because I like to go into my phone and make them even brighter. So I bought this big roll of paper from Staples for like $10 to $15. It's really simple, you guys. All you need is a camera, some type of background, whether it's you buy it or you just use what you have on hand, and lighting is everything. So I'll show you guys what lights I have. But honestly, you can use sunlight, natural light, as long as you can see what is in the picture, you are good to go. Okay, so let's get started on these pictures. All we do is lay out our background. Okay, now I like to get all angles of my product. So the first thing you do is you just lay it out as flat as you can get it. You know, let them see everything that they're getting. It's all neat, y'all. Okay, so now that we have our item laid out on our background, all we do is get our camera and start taking pictures. You want to make sure that you get all angles of the product. So I take pictures of the front, I take pictures of the back. If it has any tags, I take pictures of the tags, the zippers, any type of discrepancies like holes or like threads falling off, anything that you feel your customer needs to know in order to feel confident enough to buy the product from you. You definitely want to make sure that you capture that on your pictures, okay, you guys? So this is me getting a picture of the tag, you guys. I really want my customers to see the size, the tag of the brand name and everything like that, just because I don't want any surprises, you guys. I don't want any surprises when I go to put my product online to be sold. I want my customers to know 100% what they're getting from me. So we're gonna take a picture of the tag. All right, my kings and queens, so we have our pictures ready. So let's head over to the computer and I will show you guys how I upload my photos to Poshmark, how I create my descriptions, pricing, shipping, everything like that, and get us ready to make our first sale. All right, my kings and queens, so we are on the Poshmark website. So the first thing you're going to do is go over here to this sell on Poshmark button. So when you click that, it's going to bring you to your listing page. So the first thing that we need to do is upload our photos. So you guys, we have 16 photo slots that we can use. I definitely recommend using all of the real estate that you can. If you can get 16 photos, whether that's the front, the back, the side, professional photos, any discrepancies, as long as you can get as many as you can, the better chances you are to have to sell that product. Now, I like to use the professional photos. So what I did was I found when I bought this item from Fashion Nova, and as you can see, this makes the listing process so much easier, you guys. Everything that we need is in this listing. So we have our example, we have the, what is it, the headline, we have the product photos, we have the description. So let's get started. So I definitely recommend taking these photos. So a quick little easy tip for you guys. So all you do is go over here, click the right side of the mouse and click take a screenshot. When you do that, it's going to pop up and you just click right on the photo. Now I do not want this click to zoom that you see in the bottom, so I'm just going to crop that out. I don't need her feet in the picture, and you're just going to go ahead and click download. So I've already done this to make this video a little bit quicker, so I'm just going to go ahead and upload all of the professional photos from Fashion Nova, as well as the photos that we took earlier in the video. And we're just going to add those. So now it's going to kind of tell you to adjust it how you would like. So as long as you have a majority of the romper in the picture, you're good to go. So that's good, that's good. I'm going to move this one up a little bit. I don't need her face in the picture or her legs. You want the romper in the center of the picture. All right, so those are good. Let's go ahead and click apply. So as you can see, we uploaded our photos. I made her the cover shot just because I want that the most professional photo that I have. I want it to be the clearest so they know exactly what they're getting. For title, we're going to come down here and description. So for description, I'm taking that from the product details. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste that here. For the title, we're going to take the name of our product and paste that here. So as you can see, you guys, getting the listing information straight from where you bought the item is so much help. So we're going to go down to, it's so much more helpful. So we're going to go down to category, make sure you add this. So we're going to go to pants and jumpsuits and come down here to jumpsuits and rompers. For quantity, you can do single item or multi-item. Multi-item, if you have like jewelry, shoes, anything like that, you can do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and keep single item. For size, we're just going to go ahead and get a large. New with tags, it says optional, but I definitely recommend doing this. So even though I've only worn this once, I do not have the tags on this product, so I'm going to click no. For the brand, we're just going to go ahead and put Fashion Nova. Now for colors, you can select up to 2 colors. I'm going to go with red just because my product is burgundy. So that's kind of the closest that I see that they have. Original price. So when I bought this item was $74.99. You can't put this 99 on the end, so I recommend rounding up. So I'm going to do 75. Now the listing price and your earnings, so that part is up to you. A little trick, you know, a little sneak idea for you guys. If you go on to Poshmark and you type in your product name and click search, you can see on Poshmark who else is selling the same product as you. So as I can see, I have 2 people selling the same thing as me. One is selling in a size medium, one is in a size small, which is good for me because I'm selling a large. You can see what type of photos that they took. You can see what they're selling it for. One person selling it for $35, one person is selling it for $60. So when you go in here, you can see a lot of the similarities to our post, you guys. You see that she has the same professional photos. She took a picture of the front, the back. She makes sure to show you that the tag is in there. You can see she's selling it for $60 but bought it for $80, the same description. As you can tell that she added a little bit more of, you know, a little pizzazz to her description, which is really nice. You know, you want as much, you know, of your personality in your listing as well as what they need to know. You can have our shipping information, everything like that. So I know for me, I want to make at least a $50 profit from this item. So I'm going to price mine at $63. Since the highest is $60, that's not too bad. For additional details, you can add this. It's just like the SKU, cost, price, and everything like that. I'm not going to do that. A good tip for you guys, when you go to pricing, go over to seller fee policy, because this is going to tell you how they're going to like quote you on Poshmark. So for example, for sales under $15,
the fee is a flat rate of $2.95. That means they're going to take $2.95 from you when you make a sale on their platform. For sales above $15, the fee is 20% and you keep 80%. So you guys, basically what that means is anytime you sell something on Poshmark, they're going to take 20% of your earnings and you'll keep 80. So I bet you're like, well, why do I need to pay Poshmark to sell my own stuff, right? So what you get with that 20% is you get the free prepaid shipping label, so you don't have to worry about that. They're going to take care of the credit card processing, so you don't have to worry about trying to get your money from the person yourself, as well as they have customer service support and Posh Protect buyer protection. So this is really nice. It gives the customer that, you know, that feeling of like, okay, I can buy on this. I'm not going to get scammed, anything like that. So definitely keep these little tips and everything in mind when you're selling on this platform. But overall, you guys, that's it for that. We're going to click next. Now, you can share your listing to different social media platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, things like that. I've already did this, so I'm going to turn these off and click list our item. You can tell we have our listing, so you can click on it. This is live. Everyone on the platform can see it. You see we have our professional photos as well as the photos we took ourselves. We have what we're selling it for, the name, everything like that, the size, the offer and price drop. I can go more into detail in a later video with that if you guys would like. Comment down below if you would like to know a little bit more of how to sell on Poshmark and what this button means. We have our description category, the shipping, they'll pay $7.11 and get it in 1 to 3 business days. And you see we have the buyer protection and the refund policy available, so they can read on those as well. They also show you the extra items in your closet, so if they want to look, browse a little bit more. People can buy in bulk on this website, so that's really cool. But overall, you guys, that is it. We made our first post or our first listing on Poshmark, so we can start making that extra income on the side. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more like this. Comment down below if you have any questions or anything about this process. I love making videos like this for you guys. I want to share this knowledge. If I could put some extra money in y'all pockets with these little videos, I definitely don't mind doing them. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. Until next time, you guys.